For the booklet, I'm using a regular A4 sheet of paper and first folding it here in the middle. And then once again from each side, folding towards the center. So that in the end we have 3 folds in the paper. Then I open the paper back up, turn it once, and do the same thing in landscape format. So I fold the paper in half once, open it up again, and then fold each side once more, from the sides to the center. Then I open everything up again, and now our paper is nicely divided into 16 sections. And now I basically remove the top left section. I could also do this later, but I'll start with it now. And now I will carefully cut my paper precisely as I am about to demonstrate and show you. Always ensure there are 3 distinct boxes across. So I will meticulously cut along the pre-marked fold lines here, but only so far that one entire box remains completely uncut, so to speak, preserving its integrity. Once from the left, then from the right. And along the bottom fold line, again from the left. And once we've made these cuts, all we have to do is fold, and here I start again at the top, folding it together in a zigzag pattern. Fold down, fold in a zigzag, fold down to the next line, keep folding, fold down again. And continue this until everything is folded out. Then I can glue the last piece of paper onto the front, so to speak, as a cover. And then our booklet is already finished. Now all that's missing is the cover. For the cover, I take a decorative paper of the same size, in my case again in A4 size, but I only use half of it, so A5. I now fold this once again in the middle, and then from the sides towards the middle, just like we did earlier. Then I turn it over once so that we have the colorful side on the outside later, so to speak. On the outside, I just folded it the wrong way around at first. Then I fold it to the middle again, and now I fold the sides in once more. Not quite all the way to the middle, but I leave a little space. It looks like this. And then I can put my folded booklet inside. And you can see it fits quite well now. You can just experiment a bit to see how the folding fits best. Then the cover is glued on and I let the whole thing dry thoroughly. And that's Ito Mini Booklet is finished and ready to be painted or written in. That's how easy it is to make a mini book, and I hope you have a lot of fun with this idea and create your own little booklets.